And my dear friend, myself Sakshi of class 9. Today I am very happy to speak about World Environment Day. World it is celebrated on 5th June of every year to create awareness among people to protect our environment. Our environment gives us clean air to breathe, water to drink and beautiful places to live. But pollution, global warming, cutting of trees and wastage of natural resources are harmful for our environment. We can protect our environment by planting trees, reducing plastic usage and keeping our surroundings safe. Even small action can make a big difference. As a student, we must love the nature and take care of it every day. If each one of us our part, we can make our planet cleaner, cleaner and healthier. On this occasion, let us promise that to protect our nature and keep it safe for our future generation. Thank you, Ananda.
Myself Pranati of class 8B. I wish a happy environmental day to all. My environment day to all. Let's plant trees, save water and keep our surroundings clean. Here we come across the most important thing, that is making compost for the better growth of our trees. So naturally compost is made up of decomposed organic waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, dry leaves and grass. It enriches the soil fertility and help trees grow better. The steps which we have to follow for make a compost are: take a container with a hole for air, add dry waste and wet waste, and sprinkle some water and soil for moist. Uh, uh, Moist. So after 1 week, turn the mixture for air circulation. After 6 to 8 weeks, the compost turn into dark and crumbly compost. So the benefits of compost are: it reduces the chemical fertilizers and gives nutrition to trees and helps trees to grow faster. So turn waste into wealth and make compost for better growth of trees. By saying these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you and all. Have a great day.
Trinity of class 8B. I wish everyone a happy World Environmental Day. Apart this compost making concept, plastic pollution is one of the biggest environmental problems today. Nowadays, plastics are thrown on roads, in rivers and lakes, where it remains for many years without decomposing, and it is very harmful for our life. To reduce plastic pollution, we should avoid plastics. We should avoid the single use of plastics in our daily life, and we should recycle plastic items. By avoiding plastic pollution, we can keep our environment clean and healthy. We will send the plastics for recycling. For reducing the usage of plastic, we should collect the plastics and dump in dustbin. On this occasion, from today onwards, we will start this process. That is, wherever we see plastic waste or plastic bags, we will dump in dustbin. Today we kept one dustbin near a gate so that the plastic waste is separated and collected in that container. The control of plastic pollution should start from our school only. Instead of use of plastic bottle, we should use a steel bottle for carrying water. By saying these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you, Nidal. Have a great day.
The 51st standard. Today I am going to tell Environmental Day. World Environmental Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. This day reminds us to protect and preserve environment. The environment provides us air to breathe, food to eat, a place to live. However, pollution, deforestation, and excessive use of plastic are harming our planet. If we do not act now, our future generation will face huge environment problems. As a students, we have to distribute to make difference, like planting trees, reducing plastic use, saving water, electricity, and keeping surrounding clean. If a small actions can create a big impact when we done together. We have treated nature not as a partner but as endless resources. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our teachers and parents for encouraging us to become a sincere and responsible citizens. By saying these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.